Okay. Today I'm going to presenting, first of all, for those who doesn't know me, I'm Charlotte Gapasin. I'm Filipino national and I'm currently residing in Qatar. I've been with AUSN for almost 3 years now, and I'm one of the youth peace ambassadors from YPA 13 that was held in the Philippines. So actually I'm going to present you the same action plan we have presented in 2016, but it never happened because of the distance of us who's trying to do this, 3 of the members and the advisor as well as in the Philippines, and we had some problem in Qatar, so we had to slow down. Now this is a chance, I think, to represent again the action plan, and please bring in your comments and suggestions to us. May I call in my advisor, our advisor, Ma'am Angelica Bailon. Okay, so basically we call the project YPA Doha, as reimagining YPA, bridging gaps across the globe. So what is our action plan? Our action plan is to bring in YPA Doha on 2020. So we have 1 year to provide this. For those who doesn't know, Qatar is also part of the Gulf, and the continent is in Asia. The size of the country is 11,500 square kilometers, and the dominant religion is Islam. We have Christian as well, and other dominations, but Islam is the majority. And the language, of course, is Arabic, and the rest are English. With a population of 2.74 million, 80% are expats. So there's really, it's like a fertile ground really to hold an event here. So why do we want to make this action plan? It is because it's going to be the first International Youth Peace Ambassador Conference in Qatar for Qatari youths. So that's what we are targeting as well. As of now, there are several universities from America that was incepted on different dates with under Qatar Foundation, which is the foundation built by the Sheikh Musa, the wife of the mother of the emir today. And these are the universities that are available there. Which most of the universities here are also the stakeholders that we are targeting to contact with the help of the professionals that we have here to open a program with them as well with the AUSN. So, okay, for our specifics, of course we want to conduct a workshop or training in Doha. It is measurable because what we are targeting here is the audience youth, college students, people with disability, and professionals as well as experts, for those who will be sharing us their expertise. And then it is achievable because AUSN has a strong resources to provide the workshops. Undoubtedly, we're all here today, so it is of course achievable. It's realistic because we understand and we are already in touch with some of the universities that we want to be partnered with during the event. And then there are enough transportation, there's a lot of accommodations, hotel, as Qatar is now an open country. And they are now inviting visitors a lot after the conflicts within the GCC. So the visa processing is quite open. Even for Americans, you're on arrival without any fees now. So they're inviting a lot of people in. So our time amount is 1 year. The problem statement. Youth in Arab Africa community are interested to join relevant activities. However, most of them are not aware of or have participated in LBD events like this, and therefore through this event will bridge the gap of reaching out to the youth to avail of the wonderful opportunity to join other global youths and coming up with actions and looking out for disasters applicable in their respective areas and in terms of capabilities.
The only constraints that you can see are the, of course, limitation of attendees based on their current location. However, public-private joint collaboration and partnership with other universities. We can try to reach it up by connecting with universities in this identified location. Charlotte has already coordinated with the Dean of the Texas University, and the Dean may have friends with other universities from other countries like Saudi, UAE, Bahrain University, and other GCC countries, who may invite them and will participate for goodwill and friendship.
Okay, for those who doesn't know, just last year, there's a blockade happened in Qatar, wherein the ties between the GCC countries, the 7 MENA countries, like Saudi, Bahrain, UAE, was affected. So at the time, I think quarter 3 of last year, they have held all the airway, what do you call it? All the transportation, all the borders were locked in. And they did not get any goods in, so there were scarcity of food and all, but the media has exaggerated it, but we were fine at that time. Also, at that time, we're not allowed to, everything is monitored, and we're not allowed to do that. So that's what we're trying to bridge here, that's the basis of our gap analysis. So we're trying to bring that in, maybe the youth will connect us all again. Okay, the objectives is, of course, number 1, break the barrier between GCC countries' conflicts with the youth. Engagement of current youth peace ambassadors with the youths in Doha. And then a potential research study proposal to present for funding at Qatar Science Technology Park. Because this organization is under Qatar Foundation as well, but they provide fundings for viable research in IT and infrastructure, and oil and gas as well. And then to establish AUSN and
EI partnership with other universities within the GCC countries.
Okay. And then to encourage the youth to be engaged with innovation and community service. So the action plan, of course, will be Doha, the target date 2020, and then the stakeholders are AUSN youth, and then the project is LBD. The barriers, of course, PTC diplomatic crisis. So what we're going to do, our objective is to do the workshop training and then tourism as well. And then our task will be to plan the program and then find a partnership and then leadership. Our milestone is startup, and then our responsibilities will be divided. So target date will be April to May of 2020, hopefully. And then to go ahead with the budget, we have budgeted $30,000 for the activities if we're going to have at least 100 participants locally and around the world.
We only put numbers in the budget, but most of these will come from sponsors.
Okay, I think that would be all that we hope to see you there. We hope to see
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So we wish you success, and we wish us success for YPA eventually in the Middle East. Thank you so much to everybody, and thank you, Charlotte and Angelica.